So, when is a good time to start investing? At what age, at what point of your life is it a good time to start investing in the stock market? Well, I wish I could go back in time and tell myself 10, 15 years ago, hey, buy some stock, start buying some stock. Every couple $1,000s you have extra, just put it in the stock market, let it sit there for a couple years, and you'll be rich one day, Patrick. Just put all your money in the stock market now, and trust me, it's a good opportunity. Well, I can't go back in time now, and I can't start over, but I can start investing today. The big problem a lot of people think is, well, the market's at an all-time high, it's not a good time to invest. The problem is, if you don't buy today, and the market goes up another 10, 20, 30% in the next couple of months, you just missed out. And it's like such a pain in the ass, because you really just have no idea where the top is. If you try to always catch the bottom, if you would have bought at the top of every single market, every single year, when the market was at the top, and you bought at the top of last year, you would still be ahead of the guy who didn't buy last year. So, if I buy a stock last year with $100, that stock's $150 this year. It might have dipped down. It might have went to $80 to $70 at one point, but it's been at an all-time high. So the market overall is just trending up, and it's really been a safe investment over the years. Obviously, there's always going to be those stocks that are going to crash, or stocks that are going to go out of business, and stocks that are going to lose on. But the overall market, the safe bet companies, the strong companies, the companies that are innovators in their industries, companies like NVIDIA, companies like Facebook, Google, Amazon, these kinds of companies aren't going anywhere, and obviously their stock goes higher and higher. So look at Amazon. Amazon was $600 last year. Now it's over $1,000 this year. So last year, somebody told the guy that wanted to buy Amazon that don't buy Amazon, it's too high a price. It's going to come down. Don't worry. Amazon's coming back down from $600, so don't buy it. And the guy didn't buy it. And he sat there and you watched it go to $700, $800, $900, and now it's at $1,000. And you might be buying it now $400 more expensive than you could have bought it last year. Really, the big thing is just to be consistent. So if you're going to start investing, invest consistently. So if you put $1,000 into the market every month, do it consistently. Don't just wait and sit around and go, oh, well, the market's at an all-time high. I'm not going to buy this month. I'm not going to buy next month. Waiting for that pullback. Pullback might never come. You might have one day where you get a big drop and you can jump in right then and you get lucky. But overall, the market has just been moving higher and higher and higher. And this hasn't really been any great opportunities to get in if you would have been waiting and waiting and waiting for the big dip. And it just doesn't come. So the big thing is really start investing today. If you have extra money, if you're interested in the stock market, you can't go wrong. Start investing, start looking for safe companies. There's all kinds of different safe bets with ETFs and different index funds you can get into that are going to be safer, not as volatile as some of the stocks that I day trade. But overall, when you're looking for companies that you want to invest in, find companies that you're interested in, find stocks that you have a passion for, that you can actually keep an eye on and play it safe. You can buy a company today and it might go up, 10, 20% next couple of months. Take some profit off the top. If you want to, leave it in there a little bit longer. I know people who have been investing for the last 20 years that have made millions and millions of dollars just holding those stocks for 20 years. And they just sitting back on a beach in the Caribbean now at a mansion and just laughing all the way to the bank. And I wish that somebody would have told me this advice 10 years ago. They don't talk about the stock market when you're in high school. They don't tell you about investing. They don't talk about stocks. They say, oh, the stock market's it's a thing, but you don't really think about actually going and buying a stock to invest. A frustrating thing, because I really wish that somebody would have explained the idea of the stock market 10 years ago when I was a kid and I had extra money sitting around. Even if I had to put $500, $100 into a stock every single month since the day I turned 18, I would be up pretty big. If I would have bought a company like NVIDIA 10 years ago, I'd have a lot of money right now on that stock. That's one of the things I'm doing today. I'm looking for opportunity. I'm looking for stocks that I think have a good trajectory over the next 10 years, stocks that I can buy today, thinking that they're going to go up another 100, 300, 400, 500% over the next 10 years, and looking for those opportunities. You're not always going to find the biggest, best stock ever, but there's going to be opportunities where you're going to get in, you're going to get lucky. A company like Whole Foods Market got bought out for $10 over the trading price. So some guy who bought Whole Foods Market last week at $32, now his stock is at $42. He made $10 in a week. He didn't know it was going to happen, but there's always those possibilities. So overall, the best thing you can do is start investing, start watching the market and get an idea of stocks that you're interested in and start investing today. Don't wait till tomorrow. And, really just kind of set a goal. Like, I want to buy this many shares of this company over the next 3 or 4 months and build my position in that and have an investment. And I'm going to let it sit there for 10 years. I'm going to let it just ride for the next 10 years and see what happens. A lot of people making a lot of money when they start investing. The worst thing you can do is just sitting out and not investing, putting that money in other ways, putting it in a savings account or just letting it sit under your bed. And the big thing, if you're interested in the market, if you're interested in investing, the best thing you can do is start investing today. Don't wait till tomorrow.